So today we are tackling a hoarder house and you are coming along with us. We're going to show you the mess, how we tackle the job, and how we price these types of jobs.
Now, are you ready for the shit show? Let's check it out. Behind door number 1, we have some rat shit, some cat shit, maybe some human shit. We got some flies, some rats, and it's very hard to walk through here. If you can see, this is a stage 5 hoarder situation, and it is bad. And if it was smell-o-vision, you would smell how bad it really is. We got flies on the walls. And do you think we're gonna find anything good? Leave a comment down below.
If you want to see more messes like this, subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. Now let's walk through the entire apartment.
Now leave a comment down below. How many loads do you think are here?
Now let's show you the type of tools you need to tackle a job like this.
Now here are some of the tools that you'll need to tackle a job like this. You definitely want to get a respirator. These run around $30 to $39 at Home Depot. You want to get some contractor bags. You definitely want to wear some Tyvek suits, and also make sure you're wearing some gloves, and make sure you got a push broom and a snow shovel, and trash cans come in handy, and also get yourself a U-line cart. And if you don't have a U-line cart, you can always save every single tarp that you find at jobs, and you can taco the trash by throwing the trash on top of the tarp, and you and another guy just taco it out. And I almost forgot the most important part. Get yourself some Vicks or the cheaper stuff and put it underneath your nose. You won't smell the funk that's in the house.
Now this is how far away the job is from the truck. Now this is one reason why you want to get apartment complexes on your team. Apartment complexes have people move out and they often leave messes that you could clean up.
Let's get it. It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's the baby maker and hot tub. They're finally here.
So Papa arrived. Have you guys already seen the hoarder house? If you guys haven't, it's gonna stink in there so bad. So we gotta put Vicks on and wear the mask that Matt has right now because it's horrible in there. I almost threw up like 3 or 4 times.
So the question is, would you guys eat anything from this house?
So one of the things you definitely do not want to do when you are cleaning up a hoarder house is when you see pots and pans in the kitchen, they have gross stuff inside. And if you take the lid off, oh my God, you'll throw up. So wear Vicks under your nose, keep the lids on, and have a garbage bag ready and just put it in the bag. That way you can seal it up and take it out, because if you open this up while your workers are working, everybody will clear the apartment or house or whatever you're cleaning. So keep it covered, put it in a bag, wrap it up, and take it out. So as you can see, we have our crew here that's tackling the job, and we have almost 2 full loads done. And let's take a look at the progress so far.
So let's check out the progress. As you guys can tell, you guys can actually see the floor for the first time, and who knows how long. And when we first came in, you couldn't even see the floors. So, but we're getting there. Still, there's a lot of stuff, but yeah.
So in a job like this, you definitely want to make sure you're wearing the proper gear, because all these bugs you see around the house, you want to make sure you don't bring them home.
I'm not gonna lie, the boys are some sick bastards. They really wanted this job. Leave a comment down below. Would you tackle this job?
Yeah, we really did want this job, huh, Jared?
Really go for a burrito right now.
One way to get jobs like this is to look online for apartment complexes and email them about your service. Also, go in and introduce yourself. Another way is to also make sure that you have apartment clean out as a service on your website.
Now, there's two things that really piss me off when I do jobs like this. And the first one is whenever kids are involved. I found some baby strollers there, some kids' toys there. I can't believe kids were living like that. And also, when I find anything that has poop in it, like a bucket full of shit. Those are two things I can't stand.
So we're going to dump these loads and go back and tackle the living room. Our goal is to get the living room cleaned out.
And one more thing I can't stand is when you're hella big like an ogre. Look at this. My shit be ripping. Look at that, JoJo, right in the crotch. I'm all ripped up over here. And yes, this is 2XX too.
Look at that. That did not even last you a half hour.
No. Now, this is definitely the definition of a shitty situation. We found about 5 buckets of shit in here.
So I accidentally knocked over the bucket of pee, and I'm regretting that because it stinks.
Leave a comment down below. Would you guys tackle a job like this?
Now, this is really sad. I'm not sure who was sleeping in here, but I think it was the kids. And if you can see on the wall, there's a fly strip. This is messed up. Just when you think you wouldn't find nothing good, check that out. I got me a $2 bill. Ballin'! Weren't we looking for one of these? It's your color too, JoJo. It's purple. I'll put it in the truck.
So day 1 is done. We will be back tomorrow to tackle this big job. Leave a comment. How does anybody ever live like this? You can't even walk through here. So we are back for round 2. Currently the power's off, but we're going to finish this job today. So today, this is what we are going to tackle. We are tackling the laundry room, and there are 2 bedrooms that we need to also tackle. And one thing we haven't done yet is we have not seen the bathroom, and we are not looking forward to that.
The power is back on. We're good.
Can't believe we found something good in here. Like it's that LG OLED.
Holy shit, we have this TV at home. This is a $3,000 TV, and I can't believe they own one. Now we are almost done with this job. Let's get a live reaction. How bad is this job? Scale 1 to 10.
It's 10.
10? He said a 10. Now, if you didn't know, on day 2, the Julio's wife came to help, the real baby maker. Hey, Sonia, we're doing a live reaction. How bad is this job? Scale 1 to 10.
Disgusting.
Disgusting?
Yes.
Is it a 7, 8, 9, 10?
Like a 9.
She said 9. Now let's ask the hot tub. Hey, hot tub, live reaction.
9.5.
How bad?
9.5.
He said 9.5.
I would give this a definite 10. It was nasty and gross, and there was kids living in that. 10.5.
2 more loads down and 2 more to go.
Now my wife gets mad when I walk in Walmart with my thermals on, and today she's not mad that I'm walking into the grocery store or the gas station to grab some yerba mates in a Tyvek suit with some shit on it. So babe, I love you.
This job sucks.
So this was in the bathroom. Would you poo here again? Hell no.
Now, when it comes to cleaning hoarder houses, what we do is the nastier the jobs are, the more money we charge. So let's say you charge $500 per load. What we would do is bump that price up $200 to $300 more. The nastier the job is, the more money you can charge. And remember, I had to go to Home Depot and buy some gloves, some Tyvek suits, some N95s, and that cost you money. And I also had to clean all my buckets, my U-line carts, and all my shovels and brooms, and that takes time. So the more time stuff takes, and the harder the job is, and the nastier it is, the more money you want to charge. Now leave a comment down below. What would you guys charge per load on a job like this?
All right, 2 days later, and this job is complete. And boy, did we tackle a big, stinky mess in this one. So if you want to keep seeing us tackle jobs like this, subscribe to our channel, keep watching our other videos, and leave a comment if you have a question for us. Bye.